Hello guys, welcome back to my channel again. So today I am going to be detangling my hair. If I'm sure you've seen the last video I posted where I told you my 6-month challenge just ended because I've been leaving my hair in braids, in twist actually, for 6 months without taking it down. So now that it's officially over, I'm going to be detangling my hair and giving my hair a very good treatment. That's the plan. So I just made my flaxseed gel. That's what I'll be using to detangle my hair today. So this, I'm sure you've seen the recipe by now already. So this is the gel. I still have another in case this is not enough because I have a lot to do. So I'm going to be doing my hair one after the other. It's still in sections, so I'm going to be doing it one after the other. So I'm not going to say much. I'll just probably just walk you through the whole process of why I did the challenge while I tried to detangle my hair. Guys, if you've seen that video, then you know that my hair actually grew because I had a setback a while back. Let me take this off. A while back, so that's why I decided to go on this challenge to see if I can retain length as well as maybe grow some inches, which I'm glad I did. It wasn't so easy, I won't lie, because I was really dying to like just look at my hair, play with my hair or something like that. But well, it's worth it in the end because my hair grew and my hair grew, guys. So yeah, this is me trying to detangle my hair, and then I'm going to wash my hair, do a treatment, and then try to blow dry my hair and see where I'm at. So yeah, that's actually where I'm coming from with this whole challenge. So I'm just going to walk this through my hair. From this challenge, what I can actually tell you for a fact is that too much manipulation actually breaks your hair. I think that's the number one culprit. If you ask me, it's not even about the product at this point. It's not even about all the treatment you apply. But I think less manipulation will actually help you retain length and also yeah, I think more about retaining length because it's not like you're not growing, your hair is not growing. Your hair is definitely growing, you're just not retaining length. So I think that was the number one thing for me. And then yeah, I was doing a lot of I was using a lot of sprays. I was making a lot of teas for my hair because yeah, what's the whole point of this challenge if I'm not going to like apply some things that will help grow my hair? So I did make a lot of teas which actually helped a lot. Oh, my hair kind of having curls, guys. I don't know if you guys can see. Oh yeah, flaxseed. I'm kind of yeah, so I made some teas, I made some butters, I made some like grease for my hair. I infused some oils. I just tried to use one or two products here and there, just to more like going back on my old recipes that I used before. And I can definitely tell you that it helped to a lot. It did help. And yep, just I'm going to try to put everything together to see how much hair uh, will come out of this entire detangling process. But yeah, I feel like I'm talking too much. Let me just allow you guys enjoy uh, this process and then I will be back. Okay, so I'm going to put this away and do the same thing to the rest of my hair. So I think I'm going to speed up this video so I don't bore you with that, and then I will see you when I'm almost done with detangling my hair. Yeah, so see you in a bit. So guys, I'm done with the first process of detangling. Now I'm going to move to the second one. So I'm going to go over each and every one again, just so I can remove any other maybe knot or shaded hair that I must have ignored in the first detangling process. This time around, I'm going to be using this particular brush to see how I can work it through to remove every single knot or whatever that is there. So I'm going to start from the bottom, from the tips of my hair. Yeah, I'm going to start from the tips and work my way up like this. So again, I am just going to allow you guys watch this entire process, and then I will be back at the end of the entire process. So guys, I am officially done detangling my hair. Yes, like completely. At least I went through it like twice. So yeah, I'm sure my hair is pretty much detangled. My hair feels very full, guys. Like, it is very full, and I'm really excited. So now I'm just going to go wash my hair and blow dry my hair, which is going to be in a separate video, not this one, because this video is already too long. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do your girl a favor and subscribe to my channel so you get to watch the next video. And yeah, that's it on this video. Until next time, guys. But before I go, the key to actually cutting down on hair breakages is to minimize manipulation. I think that is just the number one thing. It's not about the product you use, it's not about protective hairstyle. I think, yeah, protective hairstyle, it's all about less manipulation. So I was able to discipline myself for 6 months, and this is the result, guys. uh as you can see from my previous videos, or I will try to attach what my hair used to look like before the challenge. This is what 6 months of discipline can do to you if you will minimize manipulation, which was what I did, and it worked really well for me. Will I be doing it again? Yes. And yeah, I forgot to mention, guys, this was all the hair that came out during this whole detangling process. Yeah, I have some strands because from the ground, so yeah, but this was what came out. If you notice, most of them are long strands. These are actually shaded hairs. Yeah, these are mostly shaded hairs and not breakages. Breakages are those small fragments of hair. That's because it's breaking from the long strand, but these ones are sheddings, which are very normal, except if you're shedding excessively. But yeah, this, I think this is pretty much okay, considering I did not take down my entire hair for like 6 months. I would take down one twist, retwist, like that. I did that for 6 months. I think this is pretty fair. So yeah, until next time, guys, please do not forget to stay safe. See you in my next video. Bye.